RDDT stock is super interesting. Is it a buy? In this 1 minute video, I'm also covering my Reddit stock analysis and price prediction. So watch this very short video till the end. I'm looking for buys and I was looking for highs and I still am. But it doesn't mean that I'm automatically buying. To give you even more context, I'm using my strategy and system that's previously given me thousands of wins in 2023. So with Reddit, the main way that I'm approaching it is I want to see the price pull back into my demand zone, and then or just a little bit like I'm gonna make it a little bit better. So let's make it here, boom, boom. So I want to see the price pull back into my zone, and when it gives me the rules, then and only then I'm buying. If it just goes without me here, completely fine. Okay, it went without me, right? I'm not going to force trades, particular trades, any particular movement. No, if it doesn't give me the rules, then it's all good. By the way, if you want to learn my strategy, which I've put on 4 years over the last 21,000 videos that I've done for 4 years, check the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.